So NVIDIA has just launched NemoClaw in GTC 2026, and I feel like this is one of the biggest move in AI industry in recent times. I feel like it's better than acquiring OpenClaw, and I'll tell you the reason why. NemoClaw isn't just another AI agent; it's more over a guardrail for multiple different agents. So OpenClaw is one of them. So it's not just you run OpenClaw on NemoClaw; you can run other agents on the OpenClaw, and I'll tell you why it is one of the biggest acquire in AI agent scenario right now. Because if you see, one of the biggest concern in AI industry right now is security. Big enterprise companies won't be compromising anything against security. So I, even in my company, I feel like if I have some suggestions and if I want to install OpenClaw, if I want to automate something using OpenClaw, I cannot do it, right? Because security is biggest concern, and no company will allow any external data or any external facing authority if we can provide to any agentic workflow. So now NVIDIA has done something which is going to resolve this. So it's basically solving this. One of the major issues in enterprise right now is having security with AI agents. So indirectly, NemoClaw or NVIDIA has acquired most of the agentic framework environment in overall enterprise industry, what I can say as per NemoClaw's current report, right? So let me show you how it works. I'm not going to show you how to install it, because see, if you are not using OpenClaw, if you're not building enterprise grade and agentic frameworks, it's good to have knowledge. First of all, you need to understand that why it's very important for you, and if you feel like, then you can use it. But this video is not about installing it, it's more about why, what exactly NemoClaw does for you, right? So if you check the NemoClaw white papers or in the NemoClaw's website, you will see most of the enterprise companies are already in touch with or working with NVIDIA. So we have Adobe, Atlassian, Box, Cohesity, all, even CrowdStrike. So they all work with on the agentic platform with NVIDIA. And the way it works is, if you see on this map, so this is the sandbox environment which NemoClaw will make for you. So how does it work? So let's say you have a OpenClaw agent running, or you want to install OpenClaw. So NemoClaw provides you a layer of security, a guardrail, which is going to control everything within a dedicated sandbox. So you will have multiple sandbox created for multiple different agentic tools or frameworks, right? So we have similarly, like this is for OpenClaw, then we have a Claude, and we have a Cursor, right? So now all the enterprise level companies or all the different organizations can use NemoClaw as their baseline security, and then they can install the other agentic framework, right? And so the assurity from NVIDIA that we are going to secure your data, because we are going to run everything in a sandbox environment. And it's pretty much similar to what we did in one of the last video of how to set up the OpenClaw. So we created a VM inside Windows machine. So that is, it's kind of similar. We provided OpenClaw a dedicated environment to run within Windows. So what NemoClaw is doing, it is giving a open shell environment. So they have a sandbox, they have a Docker created, and everything will run within that Docker system only. So no access to any personal data, no access to any files which is outside of that sandbox environment. So I feel like this is one of the major thing that is happened right now in AI industry. Earlier I was not much aware of NemoClaw. I thought it's just another tool like OpenClaw, but when I researched about it, so I feel like it is one of the good stuff that we came across recent times. And if you see why it is good, see, if you see that 40% of the enterprise application will be using agentic framework by 2026. So if these companies are using agentic framework, they might need a surety, and NVIDIA is providing that surety that yeah, you can use the agentic frameworks, use NemoClaw as the guardrail, and that's where your agents will run in, right? So it's a good report. You want to read it, you can have a look at it. So it provides a detail of what kind of industry we are moving forward. And also, like, the AI agent uh, environment. So everything which I feel like is going to be agentic in some time. So rather than creating the systems as already the NVIDIA CEO mentioned, that rather than creating the SaaS environments, you will be creating agent as a service environment, right? So your actual service, which is the backend service, might be running somewhere on a server, but your front end would be a AI agent. So all those service you will be providing via agent only. So this is, one of the good thing. So NemoClaw, what I feel like is something which is required, because a lot of thing has happening right now in this industry and everybody is using agentic framework and all. But most of the people who work in corporate job, they know, they have some idea, they have some kind of proposal that they want to implement, but security comes in, the data breaches kind of concern comes in, and you cannot use everything within your industry or in your environment. So things like NemoClaw are directly good for the companies, because a lot of big deals are going to happen. I'm going to tell you for sure. NVIDIA is going to target big companies. NVIDIA is going to give their assurance of NemoClaw to run the agentic frameworks within their sandbox environment. And also, if you go to NemoClaw website, if you want to use it, they are offering the way. If you want to try it out, you can use the NemoClaw on their cloud. So if you want to run OpenClaw within NemoClaw on the cloud technology, so you can use NVIDIA's cloud. So I feel like if it's a good try if you want to do it. Otherwise, you can have it in your local, install it via curl command. I think that can be done, and then run it in your local. Right. So I'm not going to try it because I just wanted to understand it further, better, more that how it is going to work, and I hope I I am able to make you understand also that it is not another OpenClaw. It's rather a guardrail for OpenClaw, because OpenClaw itself is a big thing. OpenClaw is evolving, and OpenClaw is a very good product in the AI scenario right now. But NemoClaw is, at another level. It's just using OpenClaw and just giving a surety of, NVIDIA that okay, you can run OpenClaw, but I am the security guard. I'll tell you that what you can do within this space, and what this is what companies want. They want a surety, and which is what NemoClaw is providing. So right now, like it will, let's see in future that how it is going to evolve. But anyway, it's a good thing that NVIDIA has done this thing, and it is going to open this kind of new business terminology, agent as a service. Now people are going to build rather than SaaS. Now the agentic frameworks to provide the guardrail security for the agent. So you are going to see a lot of different companies evolving in future time, which is going to perform this kind of operation. Yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you want to learn agentic framework, vibe coding, traditional coding, you can check out my website and the tutorials available on this YouTube channel. You can see that how you can create the agentic framework from scratch, how you have to create vibe coding applications. So all the videos are available in my channel, so you can have a look at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.